I've got so much joy out of teaching, but also out of floristry and flowers themselves.
It can cater for beginners, it can cater for people who've got their own business, who are starting their own business.
Just trim it to about 2.5 hands. But if it's a really big bouquet, you could go longer.
Okay, now I'll do something that I want to do. Not something I felt like I should do, but that I wanted to do.
I've always been a creative person myself.
Yes.
I've always been into art and design and that sort of thing. So I thought, well, I've loved nature as well. So I thought, why not, enter into my own creativity and do something for myself. So that's what made me come into floristry.
So I am just literally piecing it through the calyx.
You had a sign here about dare to begin.
Yeah.
And that's what it's all about, just dare to begin it and then see where it takes you.